Never want to worry about a late payment fee again. Setting up AutoPay is a 5-minute task that gives you permanent peace of mind. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Log into your Amex account online. The setting is often easier to find on the website than the app. Go to Account Services or Payment Options. Select Set up AutoPay. You'll choose your linked bank account, then decide what to pay. The statement balance, to avoid all interest. The minimum payment due, risky, as you'll accrue interest, or a fixed amount. Set it and forget it. My crucial pro tip, still review your statements. AutoPay is for convenience, not for neglect. Set a monthly calendar reminder to open your statement PDF and scan for fraudulent charges or errors. AutoPay handles the payment. You handle the oversight. Automate the routine, so you can focus on what matters. Do you trust AutoPay for all your cards, or do you prefer manual control? For more guides on financial automation, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.